Hello dear one, I am Eleonora, and you probably is wondering why you found yourself here. Perhaps I can help you with the challenge that you are facing at this moment. I am a Reiki therapist for people and animals, and I also have the ability to connect you to your higher self. And then you say, that's great, but what that means? What is Reiki? Reiki is an alternative healing modality that exists since the time of Lemuria, that was rediscovered by Dr. Mikao Sui, but you don't need to know all those things. Let me get a little bit more simple. The therapist connect to the universal life and love energy, that's also called prana, chi, and also connect to your higher self, and your higher self will direct the energy that comes through my body to all layers of your body. The spiritual, mental, emotional, and the physical. You probably heard that everything in the universe is vibration. And the way you interact with the world, the way you co-create everything that's happened to you is through your emotions. And the problem is we do not rule our emotions, because our emotions depends on our perception, and our perception depends on our beliefs. And there is a lot of false beliefs running in our subconscious. There is a lot of traumas. There is a lot of emotions that hadn't been processed, that's hidden in our physical body, in our subconscious, that's ruling our emotions. When you hear something and suddenly you get very angry or very anxious, very fearful, and then you try to understand why I'm feeling this way, because seriously, nothing really happened right now. It's because your mind is relating to something that is in your subconscious. So any issue that you are facing right now, there is an emotional, vibrational issue or blockage there is in your mind. And the Reiki session, the Reiki, was really designed to do exactly that, to clear all those blockages from your mind, from your physical body. And after the root of the problem is solved, it will manifest in the physical. That can be instantaneously, or it can take some time. So I do that for people, and I also do for animals. And besides that, I already told I'm a medium, I'm a channel, and I have the ability to connect to beings of love and light, to connect to consciousness out of time and space through any dimension. So I combine my channeling abilities with the Reiki sessions. So during the Reiki sessions, I channel your higher self that will convey message that is related to the issue that we are working on. And I also channel a message from your higher self to you. And I also give you the ability to ask questions if you do not understand something. Why I'm feeling this way, I think this way. Why am I paying any sort of karma right now? Where this come from? So the answers will come. And then you say, I think I already tried Reiki before, it didn't work for me. The reason why you think that didn't work is because the Reiki will first act in your spiritual, mental, and emotional body, and the physical body is the last layer, is already the manifestation, is the reflection of the other layers of your body. But the way I do Reiki, I send the energy for 7 days. And I teach you how to easily stay connected to that energy throughout those 7 days. And 100% of the people that are trying my sessions, they felt happier, they experienced more peace, more energy, and the condition of their physical body start improving. So if you want to try a session with me, just go ahead and book your session. If you have any question, feel free to send me an email. And also, if you want to treat your pet for any behavioral issue or health issue that you are facing, go ahead and there is another video for each one of the services that I explain in more detail. So I hope to see you soon. Thank you for coming to this website. And that's just in the beginning. I have lots of plans to this website that will grow. I will also offer classes so you can learn more about your higher self, about how energy works, and simple things that can help you to improve your daily life. Also, I have some meditation and some group sessions. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Much love and light to you.